So now I've got everything bolted in. I've got all the high tension and the low voltage wires all secured. I've got the cutoff back in position temporarily because I want to just test the battery and make sure all is well. I use the excellent OBDII kit from EVsEnhanced. This comes with two different adapters, one for the earlier batteries, and then there's a different shape one to fit the different pin layout on the later batteries. But either way, it's just plug and play, so I can put this in. I just have to put 12 volts in here, and then I can attach Leaf Spy to the OBD connector, and then we can just read that all is well. Saying no data because when we're in settings, when it's just a battery, we need to change the settings here in Leaf Spy to be for just a battery. Now that we've done that, it connects straight in, and we're showing an average of 3.537 volts, which is exactly what we're expecting. A nice even cell balance for cells that have been individually tested and charged. So yeah, the BMS still hasn't been reset, so it's actually still showing us the old state of health and the old HX, but the volts in the battery are correct. So yeah, all is well. We're getting a nice even set of figures off it. So what we're going to do is box this up, get it back in the car.